Hello and welcome to my channel Kala Art Online. Today we learn how to decorate bottles in two creative ways. We just use eggshells for one and acrylic paints on the other. Now generally if you have glass bottles at home, you can just put some light streamers inside it and it's going to look very beautiful. This is very easy. And of course it looks very beautiful also. So I'll be showing you all how to decorate the bottles in two different ways. So if you're someone new to my channel, do consider subscribing and of course click on the bell icon to get my latest updates. So here I've taken a glass bottle. I wiped it clean and now I'm using eggshells. I have applied a layer of Fevicol as the base and very carefully and in a very random way I will be sticking the eggshells on the glass bottle. Now these eggshells, before I stick them, I have washed them well with liquid detergent. I dried it in the sun and then I'm using it on the glass bottles. So there we go. This way I'll be sticking the bottle completely. It has taken around 2 to 3 hours for drying. Now the little space on top, I've left it empty because I want to do some decorative work there. Now even though I have stuck the eggshells using Fevicol on the bottle, I'm still covering it with a layer of Fevicol. So this way the shells stick firmly onto the glass bottle. Now we let it dry. Again another 2 to 3 hours. It's dried completely and I'm going to give a layer of white acrylic on this bottle. Now you can give whichever color you want. The base coat, it is better to give white. And after this white has dried, I have applied a layer of silver. There we go, that's the silver completely dried and now I'm going to use the golden thread around the neck of this bottle. Using Fevicol, I'm going to stick this thread. So that's the first bottle, which is with eggshells. It's complete. Now we go to the second one, which is painting Buddha. I have taken a printout of a black and white Buddha and I have cut out the outline. Now on the white side, I'll be using glue. So apply a layer of Fevicol and then we stick it on the bottle. Now this bottle, I have used a sponge and gold color acrylic and given it as the base coat. As always, you can cover the bottle in whichever paint you want. So you find a texture in the bottle because I have used sponge with acrylic. So now after you stick the Buddha, you will give another layer of Fevicol so that this paper sticks well onto the bottle. And of course a reminder, if you're enjoying what you're watching and you have still not subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing. Painting the Buddha always gives a feeling of calmness, serenity, and I just enjoy painting him. all have enjoyed these few creative ways of designing the bottle, and as always, thank you all for being a part of my journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and click on that bell icon so that you get updates on my latest videos. Thank you all once again.